good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Today is a wonderful day for another work. We are going to assemble a sample board. This is for fire alarm sample board. This is one of the requirements during submission of documents. This is actually our laboratory. Look at on my back side. These are all the fire alarm panels. And you can see here, there is one guy named Sanju. Say hi. Sanju is our technician for electronic panel. He's excellent. Number one, Sanju. Number one is sleeping. Huh? As you can see here, we have all these types of panel. We have DVC, we have a complete set. And this is our toys here. And what we have here, this is a bull Kair. Say hi. And this is Dil Bahador. They are going to assemble the sample board for our panel. We'll wait. See you guys later. Right now guys, may meeting ako, pupunta Misaid, so I have to dress up. I have to wear a full PPE kasi nga may site visit kami. Come on. We're good to go. Come on, let's go. Welcome back again. Nandito na tayo sa Misaid site. At I traveled from our office around 40 minutes from Al Rayyan to Misaid Road. At napaka-smooth ng travel natin, napakaganda ng road. I'm just waiting for my contractor to come para kapag site walk kami. It's around 10 in the morning at medyo mainit talaga ang panahon. August is the peak season ng weather dito sa Doha, lalo na summer. Pumapatak na around 50 degrees yung init. Kaya hanggang 11 AM lang po yung trabaho. 11:30 something like that. And it up to 3 PM. It will resume 3 or 3:30 PM para sila ay magtatrabaho. Bawal po ang magtatrabaho under the sun Dahil yan po yung batas, dahil napakainit. At aside from that, is napaka-humid.
takes around 30-45 minutes sidewalk with our main contractor and the client. Sobrang init. It's soaring high, 45 degrees and 15% yung humidity. Ito basang-basa. Kailangan natin ng palit. Pero ito, napakainit yung coverall. However, doon lang tayo magpapalit sa office para napakainit kasi ng under the sun. Yung Yung sinasabi ni Solomon eh, under the sun. Mabuti na lang guys, mayroon tayong malamig na tubig. Mayroon tayong cooler yan sa likod with yellow with ice cubes. Kaya ito, papalalim dyan.
I'm having some doubt.
Yeah.
In this like FM200 cylinders.
Yes.
In OSB, we are having small cylinders or
Small.
Small.
The
right?
smallest one. You can check here. The smallest one.
Yeah, but how many small we are using? Only
Two.
Only in
On that
OSB
area.
Small.
Yeah.
Small.
Yeah.
Remaining everyone is big.
It's big.
Total. How many?
Guys, thank you so much. Ito ang buhay ng OFW. Ganito talaga. Homesick versus dollar. Para lang para sa magandang kinabukasan. Kaya sa mga lahat ng OFW, thumbs up kayo dyan, lahat dyan. Saan man sa buong mundo. We appreciate your effort and your love for your family. And sa mga nagawa natin sa ating bayan, sa Pilipinas, for our remittances, we thank you so much. May anumang nangyari sa bayan natin ng Pilipinas, we do our part as a good citizen of the Philippines. And whatever you are, magiging good citizen tayo dun sa host country natin. Thank you so much guys for appreciating my channel. Thank you for subscribing and liking it. Okay guys, right now nandito tayo sa Alsad. Bibili tayo ng ating pananghalian. At magandang we have to nourish our physical body with such wonderful food. Naisip ko yung gulay. Today I will have some chop suey. Sarap. And I love the store here. I love the food, how they cook. Sa Filipino Turkish food.
If you can drive your car now,
We'll see.
International Rent-A-Car offers
Kung
a
nandito
wide
yung
range
mga
of vehicles
sugi
that
natin.
suit your ride. Drive quality cars with affordable rates and premium services with fully comprehensive insurance and 24/7 road service assistance.
Okay.
For reservations and bookings, please call 4416-9222.
Ayun, pinagbigyan tayo ng parking. Friend! Chop suey and one bread. That's all.
Big bread?
No, small.
Small bread.
Yeah, chop suey, one chop suey.
Turkish bread.
Yeah, Turkish bread. So, nag-order tayo ng chop suey at saka Turkish bread. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Masarap yung Turkish bread. Tsaka yung luto nila chop suey. Pakita ko yung store. Yan. It's a Turkish restaurant. Pero nagluluto sila ng Filipino food. Masarap yung luto nila, masarap yung cook, saka Pampanga. Healthy food. chapsuy. Sarap. We're ready. Let's go. Mananghalian. So guys, ito ginagawa pa nila yung ating sample board. Still ongoing. Can finish this one today. One of the sample board, and another one's tomorrow. Aywa, very good. Good. So ngayon, pahinga muna tayo. We are preparing for the second board. At yeah, it will be done soon. Okay?
थोड़ा बा अंदर
So guys, this is the finished product and we're good to go. After na malagyan ng label, after we will put the labels and the project name, so pwede na natin i-submit. Ayos ba? So any submittal na kailangan ng sample materials, ganito yung ginagawa naman, especially for fire alarm and FM200. So maraming salamat, congratulations to our team here. Abol sa where are you? He is Abol and Dil. Where are you, Dil? Dil Bahadur and Abul Khair. Congratulations, they made it. We made it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my page, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you will be updated for all my vlogs. Thank you so much. And see you next round for another vlog. God bless you all.